Hey guys, this is my new Fit Bike Co. Inman 1. I just got it yesterday, and everything's stock for now, but I just want you to know, like, I rode it yesterday and it was amazing. Yeah, it's an easy bike to get used to. Like, obviously it looks sick as hell. Have the tan walls, the brown Fit Bike Go seat, stock grips. I left the brakes on for now, but I should be taking them off soon. My chain, I want to get like a blue half link chain, just because they look a lot better and they're probably a lot easier to ride with. For the bars, like, I don't think they'll shift on you or slip, just because it's like very tight on there. My pedals, I want to get like teal ones or something other like that. It didn't come with pegs, as you could see. Like, I grind on the right side, but yeah, it's a beautiful bike. It rides so smooth. Like, the treads are amazing for while you're in like a bowl or doing a quarter pipe. And they're also good for street. The main thing on this bike is, like, there's a lot of black. That's why I want to get some like blue stuff. So, if you watch this, thank you so much, and have a great day.